Dreading the thought of losing your Facebook connection when switching phones? Fear not, because today, I will show you how to seamlessly transfer your Facebook account to a new phone without losing any of your precious data. First things first, make sure you have the Facebook app installed on your new phone. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and download it if you haven't already. Now, the most common way to log in is by using your email address or phone number and your password. Simply enter the credentials you used to create your account on your old phone and tap Login. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, Facebook will send a verification code to your trusted device or phone number. Enter the code when prompted to confirm your identity. This adds an extra layer of security. During the login process, you might be asked if you want to save your login information. This is really helpful and time-saving, especially if you plan on using Facebook regularly on your new device. To double-check your security settings, go to the Facebook menu, scroll down to Settings and Privacy, tap Settings, then select Security and Login. From here you can view the devices that are logged into your account. While your data is generally synced automatically, it's always good to have a backup. You can download a copy of your Facebook data, which includes your posts, photos, and videos. This can be done in the Settings menu on the desktop version of Facebook. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Facebook account to your new phone. Enjoy staying connected.